Hi guys, in this video we are going to create this stunning apple style hover effect inside of After Effects. So let's get started. So first of all, let's create a new composition. Name it tutorial. Let's go to icon folder and create our background image. Scale it up and set its position accordingly. Then select a rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool. Draw it as you like and hold on control key and double click on anchor point, so it will set the anchor point in the middle of rectangle. Set the roundness to 47 or as you like. So to make it blurry, we will duplicate it, create a new adjustment layer, set in the middle, click on the toggle switches and set the adjustments track matte to the shape layer 1. Go to the effects and preset tab and apply the tint effect on the adjustment layer. Adjusting the light like darkness or lightness of the bar, you can apply curve effect. Set its black color to white. For the blurriness effect, move the slider. Make sure the shape layer 2 is invisible. For adjusting light, you can play with the curve. For me, this is just good for me, so I will disable the curve effect. So let's apply our icons, selecting all the icons except background image and cursor image. Selecting all, hit S for scale and scale to 14 or as you like. Select the first icon and move it to the left side of the rectangle. We will distribute them. Then select the last icon, move it to the right. Now select all the layers, go to the align panel and distribute them horizontally. Play with the position as you like. Let's import our cursor PNG. Move its anchor point to its tip. Scale it a little bit down. Now create a new null object, name it to the effector. It's important to set its name to effector because we will apply an effect that required the null's name to be effector. Apply the effect that I created. For applying effect, make sure that the layers on which we will apply the effect must be 3D. So select all the layers, set them to 3D. Now select the effector null layer and apply the morph effector. Select all the icons layer except cursor layer and apply the morph 3D layers effect. It's free of cost, you can download easily. So make the icons layer color different so we can differentiate them easily. Right click on the color and set to yellow. Set the effector layers anchor point on the tip of cursor so they will match. So where we will move the cursor, the effect will move accordingly. Set the parent link of effector to the cursor. So you can play with the settings like position X, Y, Z, scale, or whatever you like. For me, I'm just changing the Y position and a bit radius strength. If you are enjoying my tutorial and find this helpful, so please hit subscribe and like my video. And you can see how cool it feels. You can play with other settings to make it more cool. You can apply 3D camera and animate them like Apple do. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover more effects like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.